Today's topic is about compounding blog posts. Compounding blog posts is a type of content that increases in value over time. So this means that, for example, if you publish a compounding post today, in 6 months' time you're going to get more organic traffic coming to it. Compounding is associated with evergreen content. This means that people will find it useful and then they will share with more people, and more people are going to be attracted to this blog post, and it's going to rank better on Google as well, and you're going to get more traffic. So many people make the mistake of saying, okay, the latest study says blah blah blah, or something that's recent, like something that's happening in the news. When you write about topics that's news related, or something that's related to something that's sort of like a passing phase. So what this happens means over time, maybe another new study would override the previous findings, or let's say another news would supersede the news. So the news value of something goes down over time unless it becomes a fact. So when you create compounding blog posts, examples could be like how to do something, or the best way to do this, 4 top tips that you can become fitter and healthier. So when you create posts like this will increase the value over time, whereas when you create news related topics, what happens is the value goes down. So today it could be in the headlines because it's something that everybody's very excited about, but tomorrow or 6 months later that's old news. No one will be interested in that, so you don't want that to happen. Creating one compounding blog post is equivalent to publishing 6 blog posts. So if you want to get more value out from your content and you want to get more traffic, Google traffic specifically over time, aim for creating compounding blog posts so you will continuously get more and more traffic over time. So what do you think about creating compounding blog posts? Do you create compounding blog posts? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up. And if you love this video, tap on the little red button below, subscribe, as well as the little bell notification at the bottom, and you'll receive all the latest updates when I update my next video. Till next time, ciao!